Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about Article 52 of Indian Constitution, the President of India. There shall be a President of India, and under any circumstances the post of President cannot go vacant. Now, under two circumstances the post of President can go vacant. They are on expiration of his term and by his death, resignation or removal. And it has been laid down in Article 62 Clause 1 regarding what should be done when the term of President is over. Under Article 62 Clause 1 says that the re-election of President shall take place before the end of the term of existing President. Now, for instance, the term of President gets over by 30th of the May of the same year. The entire process of re-election and the results need to be declared on or before May 30th of the same year. And also the election of the president can be delayed. Under such circumstances, it has been laid down in Article 56 Clause 1 Provision C that notwithstanding the expiration of the term of existing president, the outgoing president shall hold office until his successor enters the office of president. Now, the office of president may also go vacant by resignation, death, or impeachment. And under such circumstances, it has been laid down in Article 65 Clause 1 that the vice president shall act as president until new president is elected. Now let's see when this article has been applied in our history. By death, the third president of India, Zakir Hussain, passed during his presidential tenure. And then at that time the vice president V.V. Giri was appointed as acting president. And also the fifth president of India, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, passed away during his presidential term. And at that time the vice president B.D. Jati was appointed as acting president. These are the only two circumstances where the death of president has occurred. By resignation. When Zakir Hussain passed away, V.V. Giri was appointed as acting president. He resigned from the post of acting president and also vice president. And then at that time, Muhammad Hidayatullah, the Chief Justice of India, was appointed as acting president. Since the post of president cannot be vacant, he was appointed as there were no president as well as acting president and also vice president. Thank you for watching my video.